Hi everyone, Abracadabra Beauty here with a brand new video. This is a come cook with me video where I'll be making vegetarian skillet lasagna. It's really quick, really easy, and so good, guys. I got the recipe from carnaldish.com and it's by Chef Risha. I'll leave all the information below in the description box. Okay, so we're going to start off with a skillet on medium heat. We're going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil in there. I really don't do measurements. I eyeball it like grandmama used to do. And so just put enough in there to coat the bottom. I've already chopped up some red onions and garlic. So go ahead and add those red onions to the pan, but add the garlic later. So while those onions are going, we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning to it. I'm going to start off with some garlic pepper seasoning, which is my favorite. I put it in almost everything. Next, I'm adding in herbs de Provence. This stuff right here is bomb, y'all. It gives your food just a nice flavor. It's hard to explain, but add it to your spices. Also, you can add any other seasonings you like at this point. I just stopped here. I'm going to add more seasonings as I go. So we're going to let those onions cook down until it gets to a nice golden color like this. Sorry y'all for all the scraping noises. I've been having this pan forever. It's like one of my favorite pans. I'm trying to get those little bits on the bottom. Those bits are the best. Next, we're adding in the secret, y'all. Griller's Crumbles from Morningstar Farms. This is a replacement for the ground beef, which is normally in lasagna recipes. It's really good, y'all. It's a really good alternative to meat. It has great flavor and totally plant-based. So once that's cooked down for a bit, you're going to go ahead and add that garlic in. It smells so good, y'all. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So next we're going to add in some balsamic vinegar. Any brand is fine. You're going to let that cook down some and then add in some basil. Okay, so at this point we're going to add in our tomato sauce. And I'm using the Rayo's homemade marinara sauce. This is highly recommended to use because it's already flavor in a bottle. You don't have to add any more flavor to it. It's a little on the pricey side, but it's well worth it. And so we don't miss out on any of that good flavor in that jar, go ahead and put a cup of water inside, swish it around, and add it to your mixture. And so we're just gonna mix that around, mix everything together. Look at that pretty coloring. So this is on medium heat. We're gonna keep stirring and have all those flavors meshed together. It smells so good, guys. So while that's cooking, you're gonna break up your lasagna pieces and get them ready to put inside of your sauce. So off camera, I've already broken up my pieces, and as you can see, you want to submerge them into the sauce. Make sure every piece is submerged and spread evenly as possible. So you're going to go ahead and let that cook and cover it for about 20 minutes, but check on it every so often and stir it so your lasagna pieces don't stick. And while that's cooking, we're going to make our cheese mixture, starting off with some ricotta cheese. Mozzarella cheese, whole milk, low moisture. Parmigiano-reggiano, 1 egg, and parsley. You can use fresh parsley also, but you can see I'm using flakes. I also added in some salt and pepper to taste and mixed that all together. At this point, your lasagna noodles are ready, and you're going to go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese on top. Okay, you're going to go ahead and cover that, let that mozzarella cheese melt a little, and then while that's melting, go ahead and get your ricotta cheese blend that you made. You're gonna get dollops of that cheese and just put the dollops throughout your lasagna dish. There's no particular way you need to put the dollops on your dish, just put them on there however you feel. You want to get all that cheesy goodness in your lasagna, so go ahead and scrape that bowl. Don't you leave any of that cheese. Get all of it in there. Okay, I'm being aggressive. But get all your cheese in there. You'll be happy you did. Okay, so now you're gonna cover your skillet. Allow that cheese to melt and cook and get all gooey and delicious. And look at there, look how good it looks. This is after about 10 minutes. Your dish is done, but at this point you can also put it under the broiler for a couple of minutes if you want a golden crust on top, which is also delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for listening to my little baby in the background. I know you guys heard him. He was my little helper. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you try it with your family. I think they will really enjoy it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.